Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can view two sheets side by side in same Excel sheet or file. So let's start the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we have the Excel sheet with Excel file with the two sheets, sheet number 1 and sheet number 2, and both we have in both sheet I have the data. So I want to compare these two sheets, first sheet to the second sheet. Okay, so how can do this? So there is a one features in Excel, you can use it and you can compare their both Excel sheet, your two Excel sheet data in one from one Excel file. Okay, so what you need to do here, go to the view option. Under the view option we need to go in new window, and here we have created the two window. Okay, so there you can see this is window number 2. So if I click on this Excel, this is our original window, and this is a temporary duplicate window. It is not copy your original file, it is only create temporary window or Excel sheet so that you can compare data from this. Okay, so this is only one file, this is not duplicate or making the copy of your original file. Okay, so what now we need to do, go to view again. Okay, and here we need to go in arrange all, and we need to choose that how you want to view these two sheets, horizontally or vertically. So I just choose vertically, and make sure you select that Windows of active workbook and just click OK. Now we have the two sheets. Okay, we need to go again. Okay, so now we have the two sheets. This is window 1, book number 1, book number 1 to second window. Okay, if I add something here, you can see it is add automatically in second sheets. Okay, if I want to compare data, I can compare like this. Okay, I just scroll down, scrolling, it will be scroll. Okay, if I want to compare this sheet number 1 to sheet number 2, I can compare easily. If I want to add something, it will be add. You can see the both in both sheet data has been updated, because this is only one file, this is not duplication. Okay, and here some option you can use, you can zoom in, zoom out. Here the some like this also very useful. Okay, if you want to enable the scrolling, scrolling the both sheet at the same time, you need to enable this. Just click on this option, view side by side. Okay, select your books. Okay, so we have actually I have opened the two Excel sheets, so it is showing which Excel sheet you want to. So I want to this current Excel sheet, so I just click OK. So now okay, so now if I enable this like this, you can see the both sheet or Excel scrolling same time. Okay, so that you can compare your data as per your requirement. If you want to disable it, just disable it. Okay, you need to disable from here. Okay, so that is how you can view two sheets side by side from same Excel file. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.